Your credit card is sitting right there on the desk, and those jewelry ads are just too tempting to ignore. You see the soft lighting, the elegant hands, the promise of a piece of jewelry that fits a busy, beautiful life. The brand is called Louily, and they have built a whole world around the idea of the woman who does it all. They claim to have started back in 2018, focusing on women who are balancing the chaos of the everyday. It sounds so poetic. They talk about handcrafted designs and lifetime warranties and secure payments. If you just look at the marketing, it feels like you found a hidden gem. Even the common review sites seem to back it up at first glance. You see a 4.2 out of 5 rating. You see people posting photos of their new rings. It looks like a win. But then, you pull back the curtain, and the reality is terrifying. When you check the actual security data for the store, the trust score is a 1 out of 100. Let that sink in. A 1. That is a massive, screaming red alarm. It is the kind of score that should make you close the tab immediately. Why is it so low? Well, the experts notice that the site uses its own internal review system. That means they can control exactly what you see. They can hide the complaints. They can highlight the praise. It is a curated reality. They also sell items that are frequently used by low-quality drop shippers and scammers. Sure, the website has been active for 6 years. Yes, it has that little lock icon for security, but those are basic tricks now. Professional scammers use those features to build a false sense of safety. It is a classic trap. You have this huge gap between the pretty pictures and the cold, hard security data. It is a gamble. And let's be honest, the house always wins in these scenarios. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the risk of your financial information being compromised? There are so many authentic stores out there that do not have these massive red flags. The beautiful language they use to sell their story is just a wrapper. It is designed to make you stop thinking critically. They want you to buy into the vibe, so you forget to check the facts. My advice is simple. Steer clear. Do not let the aesthetic fool you into making a mistake. There are better ways to treat yourself without the side of anxiety. Let's talk about the lifetime warranty they mention. It sounds great on paper, but how do you collect on a warranty from a company with a 1% trust score? You probably can't. It is just words on a screen. They use terms like handcrafted to make you feel like there is an artisan behind the work, but the data suggests otherwise. It feels more like a mass-produced operation hiding behind a boutique mask. When you see those photos on certain platforms, remember that some companies pay for those, or send out a few good items to get the ball rolling while the rest of the customers get left in the dark. It is a calculated strategy. They want to create enough noise to drown out the warnings, but you should not let them. If a security site tells you there is a 99% chance of a problem, you listen. You do not try to be the lucky 1%. Protect your wallet and stick to the brands that actually earn their trust. The risk of lost money and identity theft is a heavy price for a shiny trinket. It is better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your hard-earned money. Stay vigilant and always look past the poetry.